These quick tips will assist you with a 3- or 4-way installation of the iDevices wall and dimmer switches. We will be using wall switches, but the installation process is the same for dimmer switches. During this video, we will explain some nuances found in smart products, not typical with standard electrical installations. If not followed correctly, the products may not function as desired. All the products in the setup must be iDevices products and must be the same type. For dual-gang installations, the connected incandescent halogen load must not exceed 350 watts for each of the 2 iDevices products. For triple-gang installations, the connected incandescent halogen load must not exceed 300 watts for each of the 3 iDevices products. iDevices products require a neutral wire, usually white, in each gang box where a switch is being installed. In 3- or 4-way configurations, the traveler wire is not used and should be capped off. Start by installing the primary switch. This can be identified by locating a load wire in the gang box. The primary switch will need all 3 wires connected, load, line, and neutral, as well as ground if applicable. The traveler wire is not used and should be capped off. Pull out the tab and mark this as the primary switch. Install any secondary switches. The red load wire and traveler wire will be capped off for all secondary switches. Be sure to extend the pull-out tab and mark these as the secondary switches. When the installation is complete, turn the power back on at the breaker or fuse panel. The iDevices product will cycle power back on and then remain solid purple. To create the 3- or 4-way setup, iDevices products use a wireless Bluetooth connection. To begin that pairing process, locate the primary switch. Hold the lower left button until the LED rapidly flashes blue, then release. Next, tap the top rocker switch to enter pairing mode. The LED will slowly flash blue. Next, locate the first secondary switch. Repeat the steps on the secondary switch by holding the lower left button until the LED rapidly flashes blue, then release. Next, tap the top rocker to begin the pairing mode. The LED will flash blue slowly. The secondary switch will search and pair to the primary switch. The LED on each switch will rapidly blink green 5 times, and each switch will beep 5 times to indicate the pairing process is complete. If you're setting up a 4-way configuration, go back to the primary switch and put it back into pairing mode again by holding the lower left button until the LED rapidly flashes blue, then release. Next, tap the top of the rocker switch to enter pairing mode. Locate the last secondary switch. On that switch, hold the lower left button until the LED rapidly flashes blue, then release. Next, tap the top rocker to begin the pairing mode. The LED will slowly flash blue. Wait for the switches to indicate you have connected. Once all the secondary switches have been paired to the primary switch, be sure that all the switches are physically working. This concludes the installation part of the switch setup. The homeowner finishes the setup process from here. Don't forget, if you run into any issues or want to learn more about iDevices products, head over to iDevicesinc.com/support.